All right, so let's have a look at online videos. Now, you can insert online videos to OneNote for Windows 10. So for this one, we're going to put an appropriate YouTube video onto our OneNote page. Now, to do that, we are looking here for the online video option. And when you first click it, it's probably worth having a click on this View Supported Video option. And what that's going to open up, it's going to show you what video platforms are supported for OneNote. Now, in our particular case, I'm going to jump to one of my videos here, and I'm going to grab this URL at the top of it, and then we're going to go copy that URL. So let's right click that one, let's copy it, come back over to my OneNote. You got two options here. I'll show you both. You can click here and paste it and go OK, and it will go in like so. But you can also, if I just click anywhere on the page and click paste, it will also work at the same time. So you don't always need to click on online videos. It will always work. So you have a go, find a video and try inserting it onto the page.